night starting off 2004 Cayenne. My turn signal stopped working, and it had a socket problem, I thought. So I replaced that. I think it was like $5-6. Wasn't the bulb. Then I thought maybe the connector area was very dirty, had dirt in it. That didn't help either, though I did clean all the contacts. Then I took out the well, it was obvious I took out the socket, but or the excuse me, the light bulb. I found this connector, and it's held in by one notch here, and you just basically lift that tab and it pulls off. Be careful, the plastic's kind of sharp. Almost cut myself. Now, I did look. I've heard these wiring harnesses are pretty much crap, and there's an idea out there to remove these tabs and just let it lay out instead of being sitting flush on this bracket tower right there. So I decided played around and reset it, reseat it. Didn't work. I even bought a new wiring harness, and for whatever reason, I think it's this entire bracket setup that's off or something, but it just won't. If you put it in the normal way where you just push it in, it doesn't seem to seat right. But if I just manually plug it in, it's fine. And at this point, I don't really care as much that it has to easily come in and out with just plugging. I'm fine with just plugging it in the back. It seems to be fine. My driver's side was done that way, so I don't feel like spending hours trying to make it seat correctly. And even with the new wiring harness, it didn't work. So there was an idea out there to trim those off, which I did. Didn't do it on the new one. I'm just going to keep that one for emergency purposes for now. Originally changed the Exxon lights out, and this is where my turn signal problem came about. Just so you're aware, I'm taking out this harness. Really dark here, I'm sorry. Basically, it gets this back rail, and you just slide it to the right. You just slide it to the right, and you're able to get it out. So fairly easy. And there's a roundette side and there is a square side, so it's easy to plug it back in. And like I said, it just has this little snap here that you just lift up and then pull out. And like any connectors, you usually push in first and then pull out to unseat it. So again, I pull it out of this railing system here. The back slides to the right, and then you pop this out. I'm just going to let it float. I'm not going to put this back in the seating system here at all. So I'm going to leave them both float. Gives it a little bit more room and the light to slide back in is what I'm hoping. So here we go, and we'll try it out. And I'm pretty sure everything's going to work fine. Turn signal's going to work again. And, I can work on other problems such as a fuel pump and not have a front turn signal. Bye.